Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Alberto Araujo, bringing you an electrifying revelation in the world of technology. Brace yourselves for a seismic shift as a cutting-edge company unveils its audacious plan to render your smartphones obsolete. Introducing the AI Pin, a device poised to redefine the very essence of communication. This revolutionary gadget, accessible at Humane AI Pin, boasts a mind-bending personic speaker that weaves a sonic bubble of intimacy and volume tailored to your needs. But that's not all. The iPin dances into the future by effortlessly pairing with headphones, offering a symphony of sound unlike anything you've experienced before. This isn't just another device, it's a paradigm shift. No more tapping on screens because the iPin is designed for engaging with vast language models, putting conversation back at the heart of communication. Imagine a world where talking replaces typing, and the iPin is your conduit to this bold new frontier. Beneath its sleek exterior, the iPin houses a powerhouse of technology. Fueled by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and a dedicated AI engine, this pint-sized marvel communicates with its wearer through the revolutionary personic speaker, or for a more personal experience via Bluetooth headphones. And let's not forget the built-in microphone and an array of sensors that elevate this gadget to a league of its own. Hold on to your seats because the future is now, and it's brought to you by Humane. The iPin, available at the tantalizing price of $699, comes with a subscription fee of $24 per month. This wearable AI masterpiece is set to make its grand entrance into the United States in November 2023, forever altering the landscape of how we connect and communicate. In a world saturated with gadgets, the iPin isn't just a device, it's a declaration. Are you ready to embrace the future? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this groundbreaking revelation, because the conversation is about to change, and the iPin is leading the charge. This is Alberto Araujo signing off on the future of communication.